Welcome back, K-drama lovers. Today, we are diving into the best fantasy Korean dramas that will have you completely hooked. Let's get started with our top picks. 10. Extraordinary You. The fantasy K-drama Extraordinary You follows a high school girl named Yoon Dan-oh, who discovers that she lives in a world that's actually part of a comic book. Based on the Korean webtoon July found by chance, Dan-oh realizes that she and everyone she knows are just characters in the story. Determined to change her fate, she tries to rewrite her life. This drama is similar to the American movie Free Guy, where a man in a video game decides to become the hero. However, as Dan-oh tries to change her story, she meets a mysterious classmate and starts to question if it's really her place to do so. Extraordinary You was a big hit, winning 5 MBC Drama Awards, including Drama of the Year. 9. Moon Lovers, Scarlet Heart Yo. Moon Lovers, Scarlet Heart Yo is a fantasy K-drama about a 25-year-old woman who gets sent back in time to the Goryeo dynasty during a solar eclipse. She wakes up in the body of Hee-soo, a young woman surrounded by the royal princes of the Wang family. As she adjusts to her new life, she falls in love with one prince, and later, with another, all while getting caught up in the intense power struggles for the throne. The show is known for its emotional and unforgettable story, making it one of the most popular fantasy K-dramas of 2016. 8. Legend of the Blue Sea. This fantasy romance show explores the relationship between a con artist and a mermaid who meet and fall in love. The mermaid, Shim Cheong, played by the talented and beautiful Jun Ji-hyun, follows her lover Heo Jun-jae, played by Lee Min-ho, to land unbeknownst to him that she is a mere person. Juxtaposed against the present day, the storyline also focuses on the two Joseon-era incarnations, townhead Kim Dam-ryong and the mermaid Se-hwa. That pair met a tragic fate, so what does this mean for their current counterparts? Will Shim Cheong and Jun-jae meet the same bad fate? 7. Tale of the Nine-Tailed. You might want to keep the lights on for Lee Dong-wook's show because it's a little scary. Aside from some minor scenes that make you shudder, the story largely revolves around his character Lee Yoon, a mythical fox known as Gamiho, and documentary filmmaker Nam Ji-a, played by Jo Bo-ah, who were once lovers in the past. Circumstances in the present bring the two on a treacherous journey that involves solving Ji-a's parents' mysterious deaths and rediscovering their love for each other. This mythical drama also received a sequel series, Tale of the Nine-Tailed 1938. 6. Guardian, The Lonely and Great God. This series, written by Kim Yoon-sok, is the fourth highest-rated Korean drama of all time. The fantasy romance is about a modern-day goblin, Gong-yu, who needs a human bride, Kim Go-yoon, to end his cursed immortal life. His life then becomes intertwined with a grim reaper, Lee Dong-wook, who is unable to remember his past. The story evolves as all these strangers' lives intertwine. 5. Strong Woman Do Bong Soon. This genre-bending action rom-com stars Park Bo-young as Bong Soon, a petite woman with superhuman strength. All the women in her family inherit this gift, but they can only keep it if they use it for the greater good. After witnessing Bong Soon as she single-handedly fights off a group of gang members, handsome gaming CEO An Min-hyuk, played by Park Hyung-sik, hires her to be his bodyguard, as he's being threatened by an unknown enemy. While Bong Soon and Min-hyuk slowly begin to care for one another, the heroine is also put in increasing danger as a serial killer pops up in her neighborhood. 4. My Demon. My Demon, featuring the fancy and dynamic pairing of Song Kang as Jang Ji-won and Kim Yoo-young as Do Do-hee. Their magnetic on-screen presence and captivating chemistry have propelled them into the spotlight, making them a hot topic not only for their visual allure but also for their enthralling connection. Do Do-hee, future group heiress celebrated for her composed demeanor, challenges her skepticism of love when she engages in a contract marriage with Jang Ji-won, a captivating demon. As Jang Ji-won unexpectedly forfeits his powers, their relationship takes a romantic turn, injecting intriguing twists into the unfolding storyline. 3. Mr. Queen. Mr. Queen is a 2020 Korean historical drama that stands out for its fun and light-hearted approach, different from the usual serious tone of such shows. The story follows a top chef from modern-day South Korea whose soul gets transported back in time to the Joseon era, where he ends up in the body of a young queen, Kim So-young played by Shin Hae-sun. Her husband, King Cheolyong played by Kim Young-haen, is a monarch with many secrets. The drama is full of humor and adventure as the modern-day chef navigates life in the past, and the chemistry between the actors makes it even more enjoyable. Many viewers also love the show's soundtrack, making Mr. Queen a must-watch for anyone looking for a fun and engaging series in a unique setting. 2. Marry My Husband. The Korean drama, Marry My Husband, which featured aspects of fantasy time travel, passion, and revenge, kicked off the year 2024. According to the film's official website, Marry My Husband is a story about Ji Won-woo, after being killed by her husband who had an affair with her best friend, goes back 10 years in the past and has a chance to change her fate. It made history as the first Korean drama to top Amazon Prime Video's global daily TV program rankings since the platform's inception. In January 2024, it rose to second place, setting a new record in both daily and monthly rankings, cementing its status as a global smash K-drama. 1. Lovely Runner. This popular romance fantasy drama mixes time travel with every K-pop fangirl's wildest dreams. In 2023, I Am Sol played by Kim Hae-yoon, is a 34-year-old who uses a wheelchair and a dedicated fan of K-pop superstar Yoo Sun-jae played by Byung-woo Seok, who gave her the strength to live on during the most difficult time of her life. When Sun-jae unexpectedly dies, seemingly by suicide, a devastated Sol has Sun-jae's old digital watch. As she presses one of its buttons, Sol's transported 15 years back to 2008, when she was a 19-year-old student at a high school near Sun-jae's. Sol becomes determined to stop Sun-jae's future death by any means necessary, which is just the start of the pair's twist-filled, fated romance. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more K-drama recommendations. See you next time.